Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight we're at Marlston Hill Lookout, which is in Bunbury, Western Australia. We got a really good view of the Bunbury city, and we're just going to go to the top. We've already walked about a quarter up. Get a really nice view up here at the night time. So, I know it looks a bit fast on camera, but I'm not walking that fast. It's probably the frames per minute. Let's make it look quick. So we're just almost at the top. You got the lighthouse just in the distance as well. So you also have the Bunbury Port just there as well. So the camera's not really focusing there. Super windy. Unfortunately, because there's not a lot of light, the camera's not really picking up. But yeah, it's such a good view at night though. So if you guys are in Bunbury, I really recommend checking this place out. So decided to walk back down, halfway down. It's really windy up the top, so just to give you another panoramic view. That's the Bunbury Port. And that's Koombana Beach, just over there. Tower, and the purple light, I think it's the Forest Hotel, but I actually think the Forest Hotel's down there somewhere. I'll just show you guys the tower. So it's quite cool looking. To the bottom now. Kind of need the flashlight. The light's really just at the base of it now. And that's it. So it looks so cool. Something in the bush over there. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was really weird. Anyway guys, that's the Marlston Tower. It's pretty easy to walk up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.